Hello, and welcome to our video on affiliate marketing in 2023. Affiliate marketing is a popular way for businesses to promote their products and services, and for individuals to earn money by promoting those products and services on their own websites or social media channels. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the key trends and developments in the world of affiliate marketing over the next year. First, let's start with influencer marketing. Influencer marketing, which involves promoting products through social media influencers or popular bloggers, has exploded in popularity in recent years, and we expect that trend to continue in 2023. Influencers have large, engaged audiences, and when they recommend a product, their followers are more likely to trust their opinion and make a purchase. Next, let's talk about the role of technology in affiliate marketing. As with any field, technology is playing an increasingly important role in affiliate marketing. This includes tools that help affiliates track their links, manage their campaigns, and analyze their performance. We expect to see the continued development and improvement of these technologies, making it easier for affiliates to succeed in their endeavors. Mobile marketing is also becoming increasingly important in the world of affiliate marketing. With more and more people using their phones to shop online, affiliates need to make sure that their links and promotions are optimized for mobile. This includes ensuring that their websites are mobile-friendly and that their links are easy to click and follow on a small screen. Finally, we expect to see the continued growth of affiliate networks. These networks bring together affiliates and merchants, making it easier for affiliates to find and promote products and for merchants to reach a wider audience. Some of the largest and most well-known affiliate networks include Commission Junction, Amazon Associates, and ClickBank. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a rapidly evolving field, and we expect to see a number of exciting developments in the next year. Whether you're a business looking to promote your products through affiliates, or an individual looking to earn money through affiliate marketing, there are plenty of opportunities out there for you to succeed. Finally, thanks for watching.